Pigeons over here. I wonder how close they'll let me get. Probably not very. Pigeons are cool. That's about it.